The Hamilton County Sheriff's Office has requested the Tennessee Post Commission, which oversees sheriffs in the state, to rescind the decertification of Daniel Wilkie.
Dallas Payton tells us what this could mean. Dallas.
Cindy, David, the letter to the Hamilton County Sheriff sent to Tennessee Post Commission reads in part, I am writing to rescind our previous request for decertification of Daniel Wilkie. Our agency has a new sheriff who does not wish to pursue decertification. Since the initial request, many factors have changed and Mr. Wilkie has been cleared of all criminal charges. Dr. Rick Dernfeld, a criminal justice professor for UTC, says the request is rare for law enforcement.
The only instances that I can think of in which an agency would permanently make a request to rescind would be when an officer has actually been cleared of any wrongdoing.
In Daniel Wilkie's case, the former Hamilton County Sheriff's Office deputy had 44 charges that were all dropped in May. Among many accusations, Wilkie was accused of promising to lower drug charges against a woman if she let him baptize her. When an officer or deputy is decertified, it revokes their certification to serve as a law enforcement officer anywhere.
Officers can be decertified if they've been convicted of any state or federal crime that would have resulted in a federal state prison sentence, a jail sentence, a whole host of city ordinances related to force, violence, theft, dishonesty, gambling, liquor, alcohol, beverage, controlled substance, or if there's a sufficient number of misdemeanors to establish a pattern of disregard for the law.
If it's rescinded, it allows the deputy or officer to remain certified. Attorney Robin Flores, who's representing many of the cases that were dropped, thinks the request is to reinstate Wilkie at the sheriff's office.
From a risk management perspective, I find it puzzling that the county would do that. Now, that letter, as I read it, doesn't say, hey, we're seeking to hire him. They're just wanting his post certification for whatever reason that they requested, and however long it's been sitting there, rescinded. That would be the first step in putting somebody back to work.
We reached out to the Hamilton County Sheriff's Office and they posted a statement on social media saying Wilkie is not eligible for rehire. Now you can read that full statement from the Sheriff's Office inside our app. Wilkie is still facing a federal court date. The trial is set to begin on October 16th. The Sheriff's Office did not respond to our request for comment. Cindy?